Why are supercars like Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Mclaren so expensive? Well, you clicked on this video and you're gonna find out why. Let's get to it. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Victor Aldo, and on this channel you're gonna learn more about cars with videos like reviews, in-depth looks, and other cool stuff. And if you love cars and you wanna know more about cars, then I suggest hitting that subscribe button and join the YouTube family. Dude, it only takes 2 seconds, man. Alright, let's get to the video. So what is a supercar? I know some of you be like, oh dude, I know what a supercar is. Yeah, it's cool, bro, it's cool. But let's just get a definition of a supercar. So a supercar is a car that represents the extremes of high performance, technology, and style. They exceed the no limits, pumping out more performance than ever before, and sometimes they can manage to change the way we think about cars forever. So we've gotten a definition of what a supercar is. So why are they expensive, and what actually makes them expensive? Starting up with number one, the brand and the badge. The main thing you pay for when you buy a Lamborghini or Ferrari is the brand. A car with a name associated with performance or heritage will command a higher price than the one that doesn't. If you stick on a Lamborghini badge on something, you know it will be sold for a lot of money. A Lamborghini Aventador and Toyota Camry will not be sold at the same price. Why? Because of the brand. The brands of supercar manufacturers are without a doubt the biggest asset and the biggest source of revenue. Number two, superior quality. For one, you're paying for a car that has more features and is made of more valuable materials. A car that is manufactured using materials that are deemed luxury and cost more to manufacture, such as carbon fiber and leather interiors, will justify a higher resale value than a vehicle constructed of your standard materials such as steel and plastic. There is no how a car with average materials like steel and plastic will sell higher than a car that has been made with high quality materials. Besides, the amount of money supercar manufacturers pay to get their high-end interior or exterior materials is way more than other car manufacturers. When they pay more for their materials, then the products they're making will definitely be more expensive. Number three, they are hand-built. Many supercars are entirely built by human hands rather than factory robots. When these companies get orders for their customers' cars, it can sometimes take weeks or months, maybe up to a year before they can see their vehicle. Why? Because supercar manufacturer companies don't use mass production lines like the corporate manufacturer. Every part on this car is assembled by human hands, constructed with love, care, and tenderness. Most supercars are made to perfection and have hand-built touches that far exceed those on regular cars and even luxury cars. And these individuals are highly skilled and trained in their trade. Number four, limited production runs. With a car with a limited production run, the cars will be harder to come by and will be deemed more exclusive, which in turn relates to a higher resale price. Because of the high prices, only an extremely small percentage of people can afford them. And because not a lot of people can purchase them, the prices need to remain high for a business sense. For instance, Toyota and Honda make a lot of cars, and when the production units of your cars is a lot, you have to make your car prices more ideal, meaning cheaper or affordable, because your target market is everyone. But supercar manufacturers such as Lamborghinis and Ferraris produce less cars, which results to making the resale value higher. And they target less people, which you can also refer as rich people. And that means not a lot of people can afford these cars. When something is exclusive, it's going to be more expensive to own. Number five, customizations. People don't spend $200,000 to $500,000 and expect to pull up to the same car next to them. They add custom touches that separate their vehicle from everyone else on the planet. Most supercar manufacturers give their customers freedom to customize their cars to whatever they want. So when you add some custom touches to your already expensive supercar, like new wheels, a different exterior paint color, and other custom touches you might do, it will make your car more expensive. Yes, these companies will tailor your car specifically the way you want it. But more options means more money. Number six, performance. A supercar will not be a supercar without having extreme performance. They have extreme performance which will usually demand a higher cost. This may be acceleration, top speed, or both, and the numbers associated with this performance will typically go for a higher price. For instance, a car capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour will command a higher price than one that does not. Supercars are made to have extreme performance and excitement, and with all this insane performance you're getting in a supercar, it's very obvious that it's going to be way more expensive than some boring car. Number seven, cutting-edge technologies and meticulous engineering. These high society companies are always on the hunt for ways to make lighter, more efficient, and powerful power plants. When they're the first ones to discover these new techniques and methods, they put price tags on the cars that reflect that. For instance, the first supercar, the Lamborghini Mirror, pioneered transverse mounting, which means turning the engine sideways for an optimized weight distribution. And the engineering process of a supercar is far different than for a regular vehicle. The iterations of design and redesign go over and over until a near state of perfection is reached. And finally, number eight is heritage. A company with a history of racing will add value to the brand. Such examples are Ford with successful Le Mans heritage and Mclaren, which were known for the F1 involvement only. So when there's a story around a car, or the company rather, they will become more desirable, which will make them more expensive to own. And that's it for this video. And are supercars worthy in your opinion? And what are your favorite supercars? Put that in the comment section below. And if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and turn on the bell icon so you'll be alerted when I make new uploads. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.